I got bricks on the beat, he go crazy.
What you working with? Yeah, what you working with? What you working with?
What's up, YouTube? Hey, y'all, it's been a long time, but your girl ItssCwayyyy, I'm back, and I'm back. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. This is my first day in my life vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it, though. Okay, I'm taking you guys a day in my life. Today, I will be doing my nails with you guys because I have to do my nails. Because I'm going to the nail shop, but I'm just going for them to do my toes because I can do my own nails. I don't feel like doing my toes. I usually do my toes and my nails, but I don't feel like doing my toes. So they're gonna do my toes and I'm gonna do my nails. And this is packages I got. I'm gonna be unboxing with y'all. This the shopping I did towards the end of May, in the beginning of this month. That came quick, fast, and hurry. So first we're gonna unbox these packages. Okay, we're gonna unbox these packages because I believe in one of these is cotton swabs I use to get nail polish off the side of my nails. So I need that before I do my nails. So yeah, I'm finna go see do I got scissors in my room. If not, I'm finna use my keys. Hold on. We're gonna use my keys, y'all. These are my keys. The first one I'm gonna start off with is this big boy. Bring me out the plastic, I'll be acting brand new. Okay. Just a little water. But I need some toothpaste, some Crest. I usually use Sensodyne, but I seen this, so I was like, why not try it? So I'm gonna try this toothpaste. It's gonna use a little bubble wrap in it. I need some pads because I needed some of these because I'm running low on my pads. Toothbrush because it's been 3 months and it's time for a new toothbrush. I don't like using the same toothbrush over and over and over. I got me some toothpicks. I mean, not toothpicks, floss. Lord Jesus. I need some floss because I needed some. I ran out of floss. I got me a toothbrush cover because I needed some and I needed a new one real bad. And then I got some mouthwash because my nephew said he needed some mouthwash. I use Thorough Breath. It's Thorough Breath in my bathroom, but I got this for him. Okay, that's package number 1 gone. Next, we're gonna come over here to this one. Okay. We got. These are for my nails and for my ears because I needed some of these to get the polish off the side of my nails. So I got these. I got some melatonin because I need to get back on a sleeping schedule because I'm not with the schedule I'm on. And then I got some Advil because this is the only thing I can take when I'm on my administration because anything with aspirin in it, which I think this don't got aspirin, it got some other stuff in it, which that ain't aspirin. But if it got aspirin in it, I'm gonna throw it up. So I use this. And And this is my last package. And this is from, I think, Shein. I'm not too sure. Sit down because I'm struggling, man. Okay. What the fuck is this? Okay. I got this LED light from Shein because I needed one for my YouTube camera, what I'm recording off of. This is a little light. You can go on your computer and stuff. I got that. Then I got this because I be talking low and I talk fast, and sometimes people don't be understanding me in some of my videos, and some of my family don't be understanding me at all because I talk very, very fast. So I got one of these. This is a elastic band which I needed while I'm in the gym working out. So I got one from Shein. These are my underwear I bought from Shein. I bought 2 pairs because they was very cute. So I was like, why not try them? So I'm gonna move this to the side and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay. But I'm gonna wash these before I put them on my body because you're not supposed to put stuff like this on your body, like stuff like that fresh out the thing, because your little crotch gonna be itchy now. So I recommend if you buy these, and they're cotton, which we supposed to wear as women, cotton underwear. So yeah, if you like these, you can go get you some from Shein, or if you want me to put the link in the comments, just comment, put me on, and I'll put you on, girl. Yeah, I need some Shein. But cotton was nice, ain't too much. Okay, that's one pair. I'm gonna put them to the side. And then we're gonna go through this other pair. This is the second pair of underwear. I got 2 pairs and it's like 8 in each. Oh my god. I didn't know they was gonna come like this, y'all. Well, I need some little thongs. I didn't know they was gonna come like that. That's my cue to stop buying shit. Because these little thongs. Okay. Little thongs. This is what I get for trying to be wrong, y'all. Trying to be fucking grown. Trying to be fucking grown. Trying to be grown. Them just go out big, dang. But yeah, trying to be grown. That's what you getting. Cause I didn't know them underwear was gonna be that. Thong. But these is what I got. Okay guys, now let's get into my nails. Okay guys, these are my nails. Yeah, my nails. This is the polish we will be using today. We got glitter. I'm thinking about putting that on this finger or either this finger. I ain't made my mind up yet. Then we got this clear polish. And then we got this gel polish. That one right there. This is my uncle. You can sit on top of that. Him. Sorry, uncle, but excuse me. These are cotton swabs to go around and stuff. In the case I messed up, I almost hit my phone with that. This is nail polish remover. And this is the manicure kit we're gonna be using. I had a drill. The drill went in this pouch, but the drill wouldn't work for me, so I stopped messing with it, fighting with it.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No, I'm all in emotionally invested. Showing you all my little actions. Oh, if I let you take me for granted. Yeah, if I were more than you could manage. And yeah, oh, you could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me fires. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, having me right. All that you could be. Telling me I'm taking me back. Summertime, the whole time so dressy. Didn't to take for granted. Yeah. For the ones that you could do damage. 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 You if I let you, no, all you doing is just for pleasure. To let me around my dance. If I don't take me for granted. Yeah, could do damage. If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No, I'm all in emotionally invested. Showing you all my little actions. Oh, if I let you take me for granted. Yeah, if I were more than you could manage. Yeah, oh, you could be honest. Closer to me, oh, give me fires. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, having me right. All that you could be. Telling me I'm taking me back. Summertime, the whole time so dressy. Didn't to take for granted. Yeah. For the ones that you could do damage. 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 If I let you, no, all you doing is just for pleasure. To let me around my dance. If I don't take me for granted. Yeah, could do damage. If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No, I'm all in emotionally invested. Showing you all my little actions. Oh, if I let you take me for granted. Yeah, if I were more than you could manage. Yeah, oh, you be honest. Close to me, oh, give me fire. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, having me right. All that you could be. Telling me that, making me cry. Sometimes the whole time so dressy. Didn't want to take for granted. Yeah. If I let you, no, all you doing is just for pleasure. To let me around my nest. If you don't take me for granted. Yeah, that is. If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No, I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, it's over more than you could manage. Yeah, oh, you be honest. Close to me, oh, give me fire. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, having me right. All that you could be. Telling me that, making me cry. Sometimes the whole time so dressy. Didn't want to take for granted. Yeah. You could do damage. 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 If I let you, no, all you doing is just for pleasure. To let me around my nest. If you don't take me for granted. Yeah. Oh, you be honest. Close to me, oh, give me fire. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, having me right. All that you could be. Telling me that, making me cry. Sometimes the whole time so dressy. Didn't want to take for granted. Yeah. You could do damage. 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 If I let you, no, all you doing is just for pleasure. To let me around my nest. If you don't take me for
Okay guys, these are my nails for the next 2 weeks or a week and a half. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. And give me videos down in the comments y'all like me to do. Okay? Clipping day. Until next time.